Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and tap on it if it's turned off. And then tap at your headphones at the device list, and we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, at the right ear cup we have multifunctional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red rapidly. Here we go. And we just turn off it, so now we need to turn on it. Press and hold multifunctional button again until this LED light flashed blue. Here we go. And now these headphones should reconnect to your phone, and we have connection. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device after that, and now it enters to pairing mode automatically. But if you do not see it, just press and hold volume up and volume down button at the same time until this LED light starts flashing blue and red like what I have right now. And you will also enter to pairing mode. Now tap on it as the device list, and we have connection. But if all of these methods didn't help you, the last one, what we should do is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones, so press and hold multifunctional button until this LED light flashed red. Here we go. And now you need to hold multifunctional button until this LED light again flashed rapidly red. Now I hold it, and here we go. Then we need to remove these headphones from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget, and forget. If you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, but we need to turn on these headphones. So press and hold multifunctional button, we just turn on it and it enters to pairing mode. Now tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!